Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can translate Russian language to English in Google Chrome. So we shouldn't follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the Google Chrome app, and now you need to search for the translate simply, or you can also search for the Google Translate in Google. So let me search for the translate, and now you can see there is a link on in the screen. So you need to tap on that link, or you can also simply use this one. So if you want to learn from the basics, so let me enter to the Google Translate page. So once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to the official page of the Google Translate. Now let's say I know the English, so you need to choose the English, and let me close this one. Now let's say hey there in here, and now you can see it has translated my hey there in Spanish language. So you can see there is only 3 options. So simply click on this drop down icon, and now you need to search for the Russian in here. Let's say USS. Okay, now you can see Russian. So now finally you can see your English language has been translated to the Russian language successfully. So if you want to copy it, simply click on this one, and yeah, you'll be able to copy it successfully. And if you want to listen it, then simply tap on this voice icon.
Привет.
Yeah, and if you want to make it slower, then simply click on this settings options on the screen. And you can see there is 3 options: normal, slow, and slower. So yeah, basically this is how you can translate Russian to English in Google Chrome. And if you're still encountering issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.